Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open programs with single or double click on Windows 7, 10 or 11. So just you need to follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on this search icon. Now type folder options. Now left click on File Explorer options. Now here guys you will see options. Click items as follows. Single click to open an item. Point to select. And this one is the double click to open an item. Single click to select. So if you want to set single click to open, so select this option. Now here you will find two options: underline icon titles consistent with my browser, and underline icon titles only when I point at them. So select as your requirement, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now as we can see, now single click we can open this one. And if you will select double click, so first click will be selected and second click will be open it. Like you will try again. So type folder options. Now in here select double click to open an item. Apply. Now try to open this one. So to open it, make double click speedily like this. So first click will select it and second click will be open it. So like this guys, you can open program with single or double click on Windows 7, 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.